This is related to a problem that my car is having right now, and the front brakes of this car have a brake pad sensor, and the light in the dashboard with regards to the brake pad sensor started turning on occasionally. So as you can see in the screen right here, that's the connector to the brake pad on the driver's side part of the car only. On the passenger side, there is no sensor, as you can see here. And I noticed that my brake pad is still good. Probably it will last another year or so, and I'm due for an inspection. What I'm going to do here is to trick the dashboard. That error is to trick the dashboard, is to fix that temporarily until I'm ready to change the brake pad. So here's what you can do. So you'll see here, this is the connector to the brake pad sensor, and to fix that problem, you will have to cut the wires in the brake pad part, and when you do that, you will get this, right? This. So there's two wires in there, as you can see, and these two wires are embedded into the brake pad. When it reaches a certain thickness, and the brake pad becomes too thin, or these two wires are actually connected to each other. So in order for you to fix the dashboard error, what you needed to do is to connect these two wires, and once you're done connecting it, all you have to do is plug this back in to the connector that I showed earlier, and that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem with the dashboard, and I'll be showing that to you shortly. So I hope this helps you temporarily fix your brake pad problem or the dashboard problem, if you don't want to replace your brake pad yet. So you see here, I stripped the wires and connected both wires, and all I have to do is to seal that wire, and that should fix all the problem. I hope this helped you. Please note that this also applies to other cars with a brake pad sensor. If your car have a brake pad sensor, this should be another way of fixing it. I hope this helps. If it does, you can help me by subscribing. Alright, thank you.